Hello everyone, myself Sabri and I welcome you to our channel Solution Bridge Network and one-stop solution for all your Power Platform tutorials.
Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to understand how we can add a search functionality to the document library experience, whatever we have created earlier in Power Apps. I'm not going to deep dive into all the aspects of creating a document library. If you want to understand how this document library is created, I have given that video link in description. I prefer to see that before coming here. So just to run the app and show the view, this is a document library and we do have two folders and followed by some files. Whenever you're navigating between the folders, that specific folder item will be pre-filtered and you will still have additional navigations as well. And here, whenever you click each of the label, it will take you back to that specific library and list down all the files. Additionally, we have given a download option if it is a specific file, and that download option might not be available when if it is a document library or a folder. So the use case for this video, what I have taken here is a search functionality. So let me go to the edit mode and start creating that option. So first, I would like to add a text input, which I will be used as a search bar. So let me add the text input, place it accordingly here, and I will remove the default text input value, and I will call the name of the text input as txtinp search. Now, let me take you to the gallery experience. And if you see the gallery, you have a filter statement, and document upload from Power Apps is nothing but my library name. And we have a folder path pre-filtered to where folder path. Where folder path get assigned in two different ways, either on this on button click. If you go to this text and if you see on select, you will see the where folder path get assigned to this item, or if you click that navigation items whenever there's a folder, then again this where folder path will get assigned. So what we would like to do here is, in this gallery we need to make sure to have that search functionality added. So let me add an enter, and I will say search this complete information, comma, what is the text I would like to search? The text is from the text input search dot text. And what is the column that I would like to search? The column here, what I want to search is the file name. So either you can go with file name or name. So let me select name. If you select file name with extension, it is possible for you to search for the extension of those files as well. So I will prefer name, close this bracket. So now we have a search function, and that search function will go and search this document library inside this where folder path specifically. So if I run this app and if I go here and start typing vendor, you see our gallery pre-filters the information with respect to the vendor available in that current folder experience only. So let me remove this. And let's say if you want to see this interview picture, I will type picture and you see this information being available. If you go in, you have another folder and the file name is 564793. I will copy it. So if you paste here, you will still be able to see the file. But if you are in the first document library experience and if you still search the same file, you may not be able to see it. The reason being, the search functionality, whatever we have configured, is in specific to the current visible folder only. So now we will have an alternative option to search the current folder as well as the complete document library experience. So I would like to insert a drop down. Let me call that as a drop down, and I would place it here. Here in this items property, I would like to give two items. One is current folder or full directory. So this drop down has two information, that is current folder and full directory. So what we can do, we can go back to our gallery and let's do a switch statement. Here in the items property, first I would like to switch the drop down to dot selected dot value, and if that drop down dot selected dot value is current folder, then I think we will use the existing code. Let me arrange it accordingly for an easy read. If it is for a full directory, then I will just copy the existing code, but I would like to remove that filter which is available for that folder path. So let me close this bracket. And here I don't want this filter path. So let me remove this filter and that respective action. So it is a complete search. So we could see a spell error here in the current. So let me correct it. And now we should be good enough to proceed. If you run the app, now it is in the full directory. Let me change it to the current folder. And this current folder will show all the informations on that folder. Let me search for vendor and the vendor displays. Let me just go in the subfolder. I would like to copy this folder name, that is branch 2. I will come here, and if I search branch 2, you may not see that branch 2, but upon changing this to full directory, you will be immediately able to see that branch 2 option. If you remove this, so you can see the difference how your document library behaves here. Whenever it is a current folder, as I said, this folder path is accounted and you see the documents only in that current folder path. When you change it as full directory, that current folder path gets removed and you will be able to see all the documents available irrespective of its folder structure. By this, we come to end of this video. In this video, we understood how to create a search functionality in the document library experience, either to search the current folder or the full directory in scope. If you have any questions, please post it in the comment section and we will be happy to help.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, hit the like button, and press the bell icon for our new video alerts.